Did you make it to the doggy park? You better be nice, jealous Jessie. Where are you going? There's a beautiful husky, and Teddy, he's just so jealous. Don't get near my people, he says. Happy Friday morning, everyone. I hope everybody's having a great day. And Teddy Bear is. He waits all week long to come to the doggy park. Teddy Bear, are you going to go make friends with the beautiful husky? He's way over there. Go make some friends. Silly puppy. Well, everybody, happy Friday from Teddy Bear. Have a great day.